Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a TRIBIT StormBox Blast BTS52 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not working because it is not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not pairing with Bluetooth, or keeps disconnecting, any kind of issues like that, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now, if this is just irretrievably broken and you need a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link to a good speaker at a good price in the description of this video. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can set it up on a new device like it's just coming out of the box new. We can go ahead and do that very easily. We just need to come here and we're just going to find this minus and the plus buttons on top of the speaker, otherwise known as the volume up and volume down buttons. And you're just going to press and hold those two buttons for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, you can release those two buttons and your speaker will reset to its factory default settings, and then you can just set it up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box.